3 minutes. Hello everybody, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Monday, January 25th, and this is my first official back to school in Berkeley vlog, and I'm so excited. I'm just gonna be taking you on a day in my life. As you can tell, I have already woken up, made breakfast, gotten ready, and all that jazz. It is currently 10:15 in the morning. I had my first class this morning at 8, and I think the next thing I have on the agenda is a meeting at noon. Then after that, I have a class at 3, a class at 5, and then a meeting, and that is it for my Monday. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me in my day. Yeah, welcome to a new vlog. It is now 12:30. I did some schoolwork, I did a meeting, and now I'm going to go to the kitchen and make some lunch. So yeah, let's go. Nico is in class right now, but I kind of want to go on a run. It's like 2:15. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, I really have to do an update. It is currently 4:45. I have a class starting in 15 minutes and it's for an hour and a half. And then directly after that, I have chapter meeting for my sorority at 6:30. I have to eat dinner at some point between then. And then at 8 tonight, I have an info session, Zoom presentation kind of thing for Camp Kesem. Pretty much, wait, what did I just do this afternoon? Oh yeah, I went on a run because it was a beautiful day and I'm really glad I got to do that. And then I went to my physics lecture. I've just been working on some Delta Sigma PR stuff. Yeah, I think today has so far just been such a busy day, and I started it so early. I woke up at 7:30 this morning to go to my bio lecture. It's also the second week of school, so all of our discussions are starting, all of our labs are starting. I'm gonna finish taking a little bit of a break before my 5 p.m. class, and then go to that, and then go to chapter, and it's gonna be super boring. It's currently 6:15 at night, and we are having a little apartment dinner, but nobody else wants to be in the vlog, but that's okay. Hi! Meet my roommates! Minus Nico, minus Emily. Dinner, you know what? We have a salad from my sorority house. Whatever this is, meat and potatoes and veggies. Here's Nikki's very nutritious dinner tonight. What is it? Give us a little overview.
3 bags of popcorners that I split with Chloe and bark thins.
From yesterday.
From yesterday.
I got a couple packages in the mail. They were sent to our mailbox, and we rarely check our actual mailbox. And so it's been a minute since I knew that these were here. Let's see, I think some of it might be promotional stuff. I actually don't really know what most of this is. Oh my god, please tell me. Oh my god! This is my Summit merch. Holy shit. Okay, so basically Summit is the big Camp Kesem event that I'm attending this weekend. And it's a national event where a ton of Camp Kesem leaders get to come together and we get to listen to speakers and stuff. Oh, got a little sticker. We got a t-shirt. How cute. it says Kesem Daybreak National Leadership Summit. Very, very excited about that. This next one I'm pretty sure is like a promotional thing that I'm doing for my YouTube channel, like kind of like a partnership. I'm working with iSmile in one of my upcoming videos, and it's like this teeth whitening LED light kit. We have one more, and this is from my big from Camp Kesem. Oh, how pretty. That's so pretty. I bought this little resin keychain. Just wanted to support her. It's currently 7:45 at night. I have one more meeting at 8 p.m. for Camp Kesem, and it's kind of like an info session, and I'm like on the coordinator board, so I get to like introduce my role, and I get to talk a little bit about like what I do. I'm gonna do a little bit more homework in the last 15 minutes I have before the info session meeting, and then I'll try to vlog a little bit of that.
So to start us off, we thought it would be nice to state our Kesem mission statement, which is to support children through and beyond their parents' cancer.
Projects and activities and all that fun stuff. And I will pass it on to my co-Dimples.
Hello everybody, my name is Dimples and I am the second half of the AMP coordinator team. Some other things that we do as AMP are we send out camper birthday cards. This is a great way to engage with our campers and make sure that we are celebrating with them on their special day, making sure that they know that we're thinking about them year long. So Butterfly and I are super excited to be having two committees. We have our alumni committee, and then we have our birthday card committee that will be hitting the ground running this coming semester. So yeah, we are so excited to meet all of y'all and get talking with you.
Thanks, Amp.
Oh god.
All right.
Oh my gosh, so I am finally done with like anything that's scheduled today. I'm done for the day, but I'm gonna FaceTime my dad for a little bit, talk to him and catch up with him. I have some lo-fi playing in the background because I still have to finish a couple of readings for my history of soccer class that I'm taking this semester for like a history breath. It is almost 11 p.m. and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. This is my second back to Berkeley vlog and I'm really happy to be back here and have settled into a routine and stuff. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!